Now students, today you will see the investigations of encephalitis. Investigations. How encephalitis is diagnosed. In previous class you have studied the definition of encephalitis, that is it is the inflammation of brain, or you may say it is the inflammation of brain tissues. And also what are the causes that are responsible for encephalitis, that is it may be caused by bacterial infection or it may be caused by viral infection. Most commonly it is caused by viral infection. Virus जिसके लिए responsible है, that is herpes simplex virus. Now you will see how it is diagnosed, that is the investigations of. Firstly, it is diagnosed by taking history of illness. By taking history of illness, and there are some tests that are done to confirm the encephalitis, that is diagnostic findings include EEG and CSF examination. EEG stands for electroencephalography and CSF stands for cerebrospinal fluid examination. Herpes simplex virus जो है, it is diagnosed by most commonly by lumbar puncture and by taking cerebrospinal fluid. Also MRI. This is a neuroimaging study of choice for herpes simplex virus first. This study shows edema in the temporal lobe, and also EEG shows diffuse slowing or focal changes in the temporal lobe in about 80% of cases. Lumbar puncture से क्या होता है? This relieves high opening pressure and low glucose, high protein level. Also, in addition to this, PCR. PCR is the standard test. PCR is a standard test for the diagnosis of herpes simplex virus first encephalitis. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. PCR से हमें क्या पता चलता है? It identifies the DNA bands. This identifies DNA bands of herpes simplex virus in the CSF. In CSF. How investigations is done by taking history of illness, and also electroencephalography is done to diagnose the encephalitis, and also CSF examination. MRI is also done to diagnose encephalitis. Another one is that is the standard test, that is PCR test. PCR test stands for polymerase chain reaction. By this test, it identifies the DNA bands of herpes simplex virus in the CSF. Most commonly हम इसमें क्या करते हैं? Cerebrospinal fluid examination for organisms and the cells. And also blood is examined for culture and for other smear for malaria. By this, encephalitis is diagnosed. Now, treatment of encephalitis. As you know, encephalitis is most commonly caused by herpes simplex virus. It is also caused by, हमने etiology में भी देखा, जो ये encephalitis है ये किसकी वजह से होता है? बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन की वजह से भी होता है, वायरल इन्फेक्शन की वजह से भी होता है, प्रोटोजोआ की वजह से भी होता है, फंगल की वजह से भी होता है, लेकिन मोस्ट कॉमनली ये होता है herpes simplex वायरस की वजह से. सो हम इसमें क्या देते हैं? एंटीवायरल एजेंट्स आर गिवन. Antiviral therapy. एंटीवायरल थेरेपी इज गिवन। इन एंटीवायरल थेरेपी में क्या दिए जाते हैं? एंटीवायरल एजेंट्स दिए जाते हैं। मोस्ट कॉमनली कौन कौन से दिए जाते हैं? एसाइक्लोवियर और Zovirax. This is the Zovirax. Or another one is the Ganclovir. या हम वो cycloguine. These are the antiviral drugs that are given in encephalitis. Antiviral agents जो होते हैं that are the medication of choice in the treatment of herpes simplex virus of encephalitis. This is the antiviral therapy. To prevent relapse, जो ये ट्रीटमेंट होता है एंटीवायरल थेरेपी होती है, टू प्रिवेंट रिलैप्स ट्रीटमेंट शुड बी कंटिन्यूड फॉर अबाउट 3 weeks. To prevent relapse, treatment should be continued for about 3 weeks. Also, जो हमें देते हैं एंटीवायरल थेरेपी, it should be given IV administration. Slow IV administration of it should be given over 1 hour. किस लिए? To prevent the crystallization of medication. To prevent crystallization of medication in urine. एंटीवायरल ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ मोस्ट कॉमनली इट इज काज्ड बाय herpes simplex virus. सो एंटीवायरल थेरेपी दिए जाते हैं. मोस्ट कॉमनली एसाइक्लोवियर दिया जाता है इसमें, दैट इज द ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर herpes simplex virus encephalitis. ऑल्सो जो इसमें ये हम थेरेपी देते हैं, इट शुड बी कंटिन्यूड. ट्रीटमेंट जो इसका है दैट शुड बी कंटिन्यूड फॉर अबाउट 3 weeks to prevent the relapse. And IV administration should be given over 1 hour. किस लिए? To prevent the crystallization of medication in the urine. In addition to this, anti-inflammatory drugs such as acetaminophen, ibuprofen, and also naproxen sodium should be given. एंटी-इन्फ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स में कौन कौन से दिए जाते हैं? acetaminophen, naproxen and ibuprofen to relieve headaches and fevers. In addition to this, symptomatic treatment is also given for the encephalitis. This is the medical management of encephalitis. In addition to this, after medical management, nursing management is also given to the patient. Remember, nursing management is almost same to that of meningitis or other nervous system disorders. By this concludes the topic.